Yo guys, it's long overdue that we do the full review and on feet over the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined. You guys know we were supposed to get this release late last year in 2024. A couple of different unforeseen things happened. They pushed it back, and it happens to be right during the time the Air Jordan 1 Bread High 85s release. So it's going to be one of those situations where, like, you know, people are saying, do I pay resale on the Bread High 85s, or do I just go and snag these things? And y'all seen what Jordan Nike is doing. They have Travis Scott even marketing for these Black Toe Reimagined. So you might be in trouble. Some Travis Scott fans might be on the horizon, might be on the lookout to grab these. But we're gonna do a full breakdown review and on feet over these guys right here. So let's go ahead and hop into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated. You guys come see what your boy Da Vinci is talking about. And today, the talk of the talk, the topic is these Black Toe Reimagined. You guys know how I feel about them. I'm keeping that same energy, but I've had these for so long. I'm like, man, I might as well just throw them on feet, do the full review on feet for you guys so you can see how they look on feet, see how I lace them and stuff like that, man. If you guys are new here to the channel, if you're not subscribed yet, man, hit that subscribe button. And if you are subscribed to the channel, you can hit the notification bell, man. Hit the notification bell ASAP. Rocky, man. Of course, you guys know I'm asking you to do that last. One of the most important things to do for any YouTube channel is to run the likes up, man. Every single like count. And it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. So y'all do those things for your boy. And we're going to go ahead and, you know, break these guys down. And like I said, I'm not a huge fan of these because of the Air Jordan, but let's go ahead and break these joints down. All right, first and foremost, we got to understand why we have a Black Toe or any Air Jordan 1 with the Air Jordan on the side. And it's because this iconic picture right here. You guys see Michael Jordan holding the PE Black Toes over his shoulders, hence why we're getting the reimagined look of how they are today with the Air Jordan on the side. But you guys see on the box, you got young MJ, probably about what, 24, 25 right here in this picture, probably even a little bit younger, but you have the Wings logo t-shirt, and you have the Air Jordan on the side of these Black Toes. And on the inside of the box, you got some regular tissue paper, a couple different pictures of Michael Jordan, and you do have two sets of laces, red and black, which you guys are gonna see in both of these Air Jordan 1s. Official colorway reads Air Jordan Retro High OG, white, black, and varsity red. And of course, you gotta add that sale in there because you have a crazy sale midsole on almost every single Air Jordan 1 we've been getting lately. And here we have them, man. Let's go ahead and break out both of these guys. I almost dropped both of them, but you guys can see we have the black laces in the right shoe, and we have the red laces. And when you get them, they're gonna come like double stacked into the bottom two lacing holes of these Air Jordan 1s. You guys are gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. But let's go ahead and just check out the right shoe real quick, put this one to the side, and just kind of check it out, man. Let's give you guys a 360. I want you guys to let me know your first initial thoughts and reactions over these Black Toe 1s. How you feeling them? Is the Air Jordan throwing you off? Is it not having a Wings logo, like, you know, something that's gonna make you not cop the sneaker? I wanna know how you guys feel about it because I do have my own, you know, perception or my own opinion of this shoe, man. But other than that, bro, it's a solid Air Jordan 1 because who does not love a Black Toe? There's gonna be a couple different things that derail people from copping these. Probably the sale midsole, some people might not like, and probably this Air Jordan been on the side a lot of people won't like. And something I posed earlier last year about when I had these things, say, yo, how come nobody was buying the rare Air Jordan 1s that was coming out like a mid Jordan 1, but it had nothing but Air Jordan on the side? They were leading up to this reimagined Black Toe release, but nobody was rocking those rare Air Jordan 1s with the Air Jordan on the side. I'm just gonna put that out there just to, you know, kind of help me in my stance. Y'all weren't buying them then, but, you know, maybe you buy them now because this is technically a player exclusive for Michael Jordan himself back in the 80s, man. But again, go ahead and give a quick 360s, guys. Of course, you see the sale midsole going all the way around. And I do want to say the leather isn't too great, but it's not bad at all. You know what I'm saying? It's not one of those cheap plastic leathers. And I do think when you break these joints in, the leather will get better over time. Something like they're doing with the Air Jordan 1 Bread High 85. They said the more you wear it, the more character you're gonna get on that leather. And the same with the left sneaker, consistent in the quality. The only thing different between the left and the right sneaker, if you check out your left sneaker, you check out the inside of the collar or the ankle, you do have Michael Jordan's signature. I think it says my very best. So it says my very best with Michael Jordan's signature. Pretty sure you guys can pick that up, but if not, I will have some B-roll to outline that, man. So a couple different hidden details about this shoe. One being, of course, the Air Jordan. It's not really hidden, but you have the My Very Best and then Michael Jordan's signature engraved into the inside of the left sneaker. And you guys all know pretty much the makeup of the black toes. You have the black toe literally around the toe cap, black Nike swoosh on these guys. It would have been dope if we got the big Nike swoosh, but it kind of does look like we got the big Nike swoosh. I don't know. You guys can let me know how you feel about that. And then of course, you do have the red heel along with up on the collar with that Air Jordan on it. And then you check out the tongue, just kind of checking out the top of it. You do have still your Nike Air branded on the tongue right there. And then everything else is pretty standard when it comes to your Air Jordan 1s. Like it ain't no aged outsole or no worn down outsole like we got with the Lost and Founds, which I'm gonna grab real quick. So go ahead and check these guys out right here, man. The Lost and Found Chicago Air Jordan 1s, and the outsole literally came like that. Came like some white, I don't know what they did with it. It's almost like they wanted it to be worn down or something like that. But of course, you know, you got the distressed heel back there along with some of the crackled leather on the outside and inner of the sneaker. So a couple of different of the reimaginings. Of course, you got the black toes, you have the Chicagos, and we also have the UNCs coming out. And then the satin or the patent Air Jordan 1s was a part of the reimagined line. So we got a bunch of reimagined Air Jordan 1s, and along with the Royals. Can't forget about the Royals. That's another shoe that I think we'll get some credit later down the line for them coming out with the all suede. It's almost like, you know, it's a give and take. Some people love it when they switch it, just like the all nubuck pair of the OG Breads. People said that they love the leather on the reimagined 4. So it's like one of those give and takes. You either love it or you hate it. And it seemed like a lot of people did not like the suede on the Royal 1s. I didn't think it was that bad in my honest opinion. I seen it made way too many pairs, and them things were going for like under $100, which kind of pushes people away from snagging and adding to the collection, man. But one more quick 360 of these Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined coming out in a couple of weeks. Put the retail and the release date up here so you guys check out. It's like either the 14th or the 15th, one of the two, but it's coming out very, very soon near you. And I want you guys to let me know in the comment section if you will be securing and snagging a pair and adding to the collection, or if you're just going to pass some things and go on to the next release, because we do have a lot of bangers coming out for the remainder of 2025, man. So I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. If you guys are new here, you enjoyed the content, do your boy a favor, leave a huge like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And go check out some of the early bangers we got on the channel. We got Flu Games already up. We got I'm on My Years already up. We have Cool Gray 9s, Black Metallic 5s. We got a whole bunch of stuff already, you know, kind of dropped in terms of content. So go check out the channel and see what them joints is hitting for. But with all this being said, your boy The Vintage is gonna throw these Air Jordan 1 black toes on feet. Let me know how you feeling them, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.